Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Kentland Ridge Condo trash hole, and starting to pile up all the trash. This is just the beginning, but you can see the animals have already got into it. But what really gets me is this: whoever dumped, what is it, a microwave in the trash only. Now if I turn this around, I could probably get the barcode, if it's still on there. Find out who would dump this in the trash only. They should get more than the $200 fine for doing that. I'm serious. That's nasty. Do that. And the start of this is already starting. Here we are, Saturday, March 28th, 7:50 a.m. 2015, folks. People are still at this